Most people spend their entire lives working for money, but they never spend a single day learning how money actually works. They follow the old path: go to school, get a job, and save what's left. But have you ever wondered why the rich keep getting richer while everyone else is just one medical bill away from bankruptcy? It's because the wealthy play by a different set of rules. Rules that aren't taught in schools. Rules that your boss doesn't want you to know. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain. I'm going to share the 7 money rules that will change your financial life forever. If you're ready to stop being a slave to your paycheck, pay close attention. Before we dive into rule number 1, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. We're building a community of people who are committed to financial freedom. And I don't want you to miss a single step on this journey. Also, smash that like button. It really helps the algorithm. Show this video to more people who need to hear this message. Done. Let's get started. Rule number 1. Money is a tool, not the goal. The first mistake people make is thinking that money is the ultimate destination. It's not. Money is simply a tool, a piece of paper, or a digital number that represents value. Think of it like a hammer. You don't collect hammers just to have them. You use them to build a house. When you view money as a tool, your perspective shifts. You stop working for money and start thinking about how to put that tool to work for you. Money is the most loyal employee you will ever have. It doesn't sleep, it doesn't complain, and it works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Your job is to stop spending your employees and start hiring more of them. Rule number 2. Pay yourself first. This is the most famous rule in finance, yet almost no one actually does it. Most people get their paycheck, pay the landlord, pay the utility company, pay the grocery store, and then try to save whatever is left. The problem: there's never anything left. To build wealth, you must flip the script. The moment money hits your account, a percentage, whether it's 10%, 20%, or even 5%, must go directly into your investment or savings account. Treat this like a bill you owe to your future self. If you don't value your future enough to pay for it first, no one else will. Rule number 3. The rule of 72. If you want to be rich, you need to understand the math of money. The rule of 72 is a simple way to determine how long it will take for your money to double. Here's how it works. Divide the number 72 by your annual rate of return. If you're getting a 10% return on your investment, your money will double every 7.2 years. Understanding this allows you to see the power of compound interest. Compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it. Stop looking for get-rich-quick schemes and start looking for consistent returns that compound over time. Rule number 4. Master the difference between assets and liabilities. Rich people buy assets. Poor and middle-class people buy liabilities that they think are assets. An asset is something that puts money into your pocket. A liability is something that takes money out of your pocket. That fancy car you bought on a loan? That's a liability. That designer watch? Liability. A rental property or a stock that pays dividends? Those are assets. If you want to be wealthy, You must spend your life buying assets. Once your assets generate enough income to cover your lifestyle, you are officially free. Rule number 5. Don't save money, hedge it. Inflation is the silent thief. If you leave your money sitting in a traditional bank account, it is losing value every single day. The price of bread goes up. The price of rent goes up. But your $1,000 stays $1,000, meaning it buys less than it did last year. Wealthy people don't save money in the traditional sense. They move money into things that grow faster than inflation. Whether it's gold, real estate, or a diversified stock portfolio, you must keep your money moving. Static money is dying money. Rule number 6. Your network is your net worth. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If you hang out with 5 people who are broke and complain about the economy, you will be the 6th. If you hang out with 5 entrepreneurs who are talking about investments and growth, you will be the 6th. Money flows where there is knowledge and opportunity. You need to position yourself in rooms where people are smarter than you. Stop being the big fish in a small pond. Go to a bigger pond and learn from the sharks. Rule number 7. Invest in your greatest asset. The best investment you will ever make is not in the stock market or real estate. It's in the 6 inches between your ears. Your ability to earn is your most powerful wealth building tool. Read the books, take the courses, find a mentor, and learn high-income skills. Markets can crash and currencies can fail. But no one can take away your knowledge and your skills. The more you learn, the more you earn. It's that simple. The outro. These 7 rules aren't complicated, but they require discipline. Most people will watch this video, feel inspired for 5 minutes, and then go back to their old habits. Don't be that person. Pick one rule today and start applying it. If you found value in this video, please leave a comment below and tell me which rule resonated with you the most. Was it rule number 4 about assets? Or maybe rule number 7 about investing in yourself? I read every single comment and I want to hear your story. Don't forget to share this video with a friend who needs to hear this. Let's spread financial literacy together. Thank you for watching, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next video.